Well, hello everybody. This is my new to me axial deadbolt Scx10. I've done quite a bit of upgrades since I've gotten it already. Start off, obviously put LED lights into the housings. Mounted a multi-function light bar on the front. LEDs in the front, LEDs in the back. Just added a plate on top to basically stop the frame from getting broke or chipped up. I have done the aluminum shock towers and lift kit. I have repositioned the battery to the front, moved all my electronics to the back, made a plate for batteries, 9 volts just to run the lighting system. Also made these brass tubes right here just for an extra little suspension or support through the shock towers. Bottom side of it, I've done the aluminum upper and lower links. Removed the shock cushions out of the bottom of the shocks just for extra travel. Runs like a champ, crawls like a champ. Not bad. I'm new to the crawling. I've been playing around with my other vehicle, which is this little bad boy. Even though it has an arm, a body on it, don't let it fool you. What it is, it's an old Sportwerks Raven ST chassis that I have done quite a bit to. A lot of aluminum upgrades on here. I've upgraded all the turnbuckles and ends to a bigger Traxxas. The lower control arms I've swapped out to an RPM. Different servo box just for better steering and handling. And then the back, I retrofitted an associated tranny in it, which does awesome because it can hold up to my Castle Sidewinder. I've also done CVs in it. Bigger Traxxas links back here. Just one hell of a machine, this thing. I've had it clocked at about 65 miles an hour. Not too bad. Thing runs fast, strong, handles well. Just an all-around fun stadium truck. And my last is my HPI street/rally car. Just put a different body on it. And I've kind of not really done any upgrades to it except for tweaking the suspension to get the most travel and play out of it. But my fun one is the axial deadbolt. That's my new toy, my favorite of them all. I've never really been a big crawler or into it. And now I am. I'm loving it. And here's all the lights on it. 11 total on the front, and just by simply pushing on the light bar, I can get different functions of strobes out of it. Which I rarely use. Most of the time, I just go to solid lights. So there's the 11 on the front. Then obviously the 2 taillights on the back. I will keep you guys updated on all the newer upgrades that I'm about to do to it. Got some more aluminum parts showing up in the mail. A cargo rack, all kinds of stuff. 5th wheel mount. And then the other thing I've been working on, which some of you guys might like, and this was just kind of a project to figure out what I wanted to do and how to do things. Never really seen one done. But I got bored in the garage and decided it'd be time to build me a trailer. So I did. All aluminum, floating suspension. So I've got plenty of articulation and travel in here. Good thing is, I normally hook it up to the Deadbolt, and we'll pull my street car with it, or rally, whichever I'm feeling like. And then I'll typically have a mount on here for a couple extra wheels and tires, such as that. And then I can mount whichever other set of wheels and tires I feel like taking. Whoops. Up high here, too. So, that's it.